Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
This morning, mula Dubai, makakasama natin ang isang Pangasinense young entrepreneur at tea-maker para ibahagi ang kanyang successful journey sa kanyang murang edad. Mga kapuso, please welcome Miss Guia Ysobelle Landicho. Hi, Guia! Happy New Year and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka naman?
Thank you for having me po. Greetings po from here in Dubai po.
Eto, kailan yung huling uwi mo bago ka pumunta ng Dubai? At bakit mo piniling mga ibang bansa?
Opo, I came here po, my parents po are OFWs po, so dito po sila po nagsettle po sa UAE po. The last time I came to the Philippines po was early 2020 po, just before the lockdowns po, nakauwi po ako po.
Oh, I see. So, eto naman, Gia. Sigurado ako na mimiss mo na ang iyong hometown sa Pangasinan. Eto, may namimiss ka ba sa inyo sa Villasis, Gia?
Opo, na-miss ko po yung mga relatives ko po na nandun po. I miss the people po in Pangasinan po. One of the things po that I really loved about Pangasinan is that the people there are very friendly po. At saka po, you don't feel like a stranger whenever you're there po.
Aba, of course, syempre naman. Ito na nga. And you finished creative entrepreneurship. Ano yung mga natutunan mo sa kursong ito na nagdadala mo ngayon?
Apo, yung sa what I learned po, one of my favorite lessons that I learned from my course was that I learned the difference between an entrepreneur po at saka yung business person. So entrepreneur, yun po ay isa pong individual who has a new idea po, or they have an innovative idea and they establish a venture based on that idea po. Ang business person naman po, it's a person po who establishes a business po based on traditional means. So learning the difference between an entrepreneur and a business person allowed me to set the right goals for my company po. And I also through my course po, I learned the right language po that's used in entrepreneurship po. So that allows me to communicate easily with other business people po and other entrepreneurs po.
And because of your dedication, Dia, you know how to produce variety of teas. I-share mo naman kung ano ang mga flavors at anong mga klase ng tea ito.
Our business po, we deal with what they call ultra high quality true teas. So ang true teas po, yun po ay ang mga tsaa po that comes from the plant that is called tea plant po, or the scientific name for that is Camellia sinensis. So dito po sa tea plant po, dito po natin po nakukuha po yung 6 types of true teas po. Yun po yung white tea, black tea, oolong, yellow tea, and yung 6 types of teas po na yun, I classified po siya base po sa process on how they make them po. So right here with me po, I have a packet po of white tea on silver needles, which is one of the highest quality white teas. And I can show you very quickly po on what this looks like. So ang tsaa po, it would look like this po. So this is white tea, and it's called white tea because there are these tiny fibers that is on the leaf that gives it an appearance po that it's silver. And when we classify high quality teas po, usually we talk about po yung bud. So yung bud po ng tea, yun po yung usually po na, ito po yung high quality po, yung pinaka-ubod po ng tea plant po. That's where we get the high quality teas po.
O diba, talaga namang iba't ibang flavors ang nagagawa ng ating very own young entrepreneur dito. Marami sa atin, mga kapuso, ang mahilig sa teas dahil sa mga benefits nito. Dia, ano nga ba yung maaaring makuha ng ating katawan sa pag-inom ng tea?
Apo, so tea is a good source of antioxidants. So especially po ngayon po may pandemic po, we might hear that all the time po, yung word po na antioxidant. Tumutulong po para po i-strengthen and protect ang mga cells po natin po from damage po from free radicals po. So pagka yung cells po natin po are strengthened and protected po, it may help prevent, manage, and delay diseases po. Like for example po, diseases po that cause damage to our cells are cancer or yung diabetes po. It may help po to prevent yung yung progression po ng mga ganun pong klaseng mga sakit po.
Maraming salamat, Gia, and stay safe.
Thank you po. Stay safe too po. Take care po.